Okay, syllabus. Anyone? Linkage between, very good. Linkage between development and extremism. Development and extremism. Okay, linkage between the development and extremism. What do you learn in this? What do you learn? What do you learn? You learn first about the basics of this. Okay, terminologies regarding this. Then also you learn about here only LWE or Naxalism. You learn about LWE or Naxalism. Second, in this only you learn about Northeast insurgency. Northeast insurgency. Third, you learn about J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir issues with related to internal security. Point clear, right? So these are the three things in the first chapter. Okay, second chapter. Second chapter. Tell me. Acha, okay. Role of state and non-state actors. Role of state and non-state actors. Non-state actors. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. Right? Role of state. What do you mean by the state? What do you mean by state? In internal security, what is the role of them? Role of state and non-state. State means those who are indulged directly creating problems on India, like China, okay, like Pakistan, like Bangladesh, like Sri Lanka, whatever they are. These are state actors, okay, or any organizations which have a direct links with their governments. And if they are waging a war or creating any disturbances in other country, then also it is called as a state-related actors. Israel war with Russia, with Iran, directly it is a state-related, okay, or Hizbul, Lebanon, Hizbul, directly waging a war. If they have a relationship with the government, then it is called state. If they do not have any kind of relationship with the government, that are called as a non-state actors. Like Lashkar-e-Taiba, okay, Jaish-e-Mohammed. These are non-state actors. Point clear, right? Then also third, so various security forces and their mandate. Various security forces and their mandate. What do you learn here? Various security forces and their mandate. Article 355, Article 365. It is related with that. Okay, Article 355, I'll tell at that time. Okay, Article 355, Article 365 is related with it. Here you learn mainly about various security forces that are guarding our borders, and within our borders, what are the agencies which are involved in the maintaining of internal security. Like for example, you have CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces. Okay, in this Central Armed Police, in that there are various organizations, but Central Armed Police Forces is a part under Ministry of Home Affairs, okay, Amit Shah. Then in this there are various organizations, like you have CRPF, CISF, then BSF, ITBP, huh? Which one? NSG. NSG generally don't come, but SSB. Sasastra Seema Bal. Okay? Is it clear? So there are various forces. And what are their mandate? Mandate means what? Their duties, their functions. And what is the role in their duties or the roles which they have played in maintenance of internal security? 2. Third, in this only, what are the issues with them? Okay, what are the challenges that they are facing in terms of bordering or in terms of maintaining internal securities, okay, within the country. Third, then here also we learn about CAPF, SPF, State Police Force. Okay, here only we learn about investigating agencies. Investigating agencies. Here only we learn about your intelligence agencies. Intelligence agencies. Investigation as well as intelligence agencies. You learn in their security and their mandate. What is the role of IB? What is the role of NTRO? Okay, what is the role of your RA, etc. In this investigation about the NIA, about the CBI, etc. Is it clear? Done? Right? Now, this is the third chapter. Fourth chapter. Fourth chapter. Fourth. Challenges of internal security. Challenges of internal security through communication. Through communication. Through communication. Challenges of internal security through communication. Here we learn about your mainly yesterday's news. What was that? Amit Shah. Video. Doctrinated video. Social media. What is that? Social media. Clear? Right? Number one. About the social media. Second is your cyber security basics. Okay. Not engineering subject. Clear? Basics. Basics of cyber security. Basics of cyber security. So these are the main things. And also about your electronic and print media. Electronic media and print media. Print media. What are the challenges that they pose to the internal security? This is a main, okay, social media is the biggest challenge, okay, in internal security. So fifth one, and that's what challenges in communication. They have written money laundering. Money laundering. Very important chapter for you. Okay, when you become. So very important chapter, you have to be careful. Because you should not caught. Sixth chapter, money laundering. Organized crimes. Linkage between organized crimes and terrorist groups. Linkage between the organized crimes and terrorist groups. Linkage between the organized crime and terrorist groups. Okay. Who is organized crime in India? Any example? Or called organized crime? Mahesh Babu, businessman. Organized crime, yeah. Pokeri, organized crimes. These are all organized crimes only. But a real example, if you want to tell, the real example is Dawood Ibrahim, underworld don. Okay, he has a linkage now with the terrorist groups. That is what we will learn. And what are the challenges with respect to 26/11, or what are the terrorist attacks which took place in India? So what are the challenges that they pose? Clear? Then seventh one, last. Border management. Here there is a border management. So sanctity of the borders is one of the biggest, one of the dimensions for internal security. So in this border management, what are the challenges with respect to the territorial boundaries? What are the challenges with respect to your water boundaries? Okay, water boundaries, you have long coastal lines. Territorial boundaries, we have Pakistan, we have a very hostile friendship with our neighbors. Very good friends they are. Pakistan, China, okay, all these are. So such kind of friendship, right? So what are the challenges they pose towards your border management, etc.? That we will see. Clear, right?